Hello to everyone. Sorry, my English is not native, but I will try to tell what I want. This is my wood stove, it's back boiler, and I purchased this miracle, so much promoted in YouTube and everywhere. And 3 weeks I break nearly all my brains. Why not system not working? No circulation at all in a wood stove, yeah. That's my. There is another unit, is a heat pump, it's DIY as well. At the moment works perfectly. So, finally decided to open this box. And welcome to Scam World. £800. Heat Hero Direct. Mentioned work with pump. Maybe with gravity as well, I don't know. Yeah, with gravity maybe it somehow works, but nobody want gravity, do ya? Everybody want heat up system and efficiently with the pumps. Everybody else come out. No, now look carefully and think. This is feed, yeah, hot water, which go to boiler straight away, yeah. This is what it's called now. No, in one word, pump is attached in this end, yeah. It sucks in there. Let's go there and there. So it's do loop only there, and that's it. What it's grab hot water, it's just by the gravity. What gravity do? Little bit. That's it. So wood stove boiler boiling up, no chances to get hot water up, nothing. It's such a little amount getting by gravity up. It's no chances at all. Doesn't matter how strong is pump, no chances at all. So this is total scam. Sorry, Heat Hero guys, yeah, but and yes, £800. Imagine, inside all rusted, no rust coated, nothing at all, yeah. No, sorry, no, maximum £45 this one cost, yeah. 30, I mean, heat exchanger, no, £15 maybe, no, maybe 20 for the pipes. That's what is inside, and yeah. I'll not cry about lost money. This is absolutely bullshit, guys. Absolutely bullshit. I decided to make it return just straight pipe like it is now. There. And there will be one elbow there. This T go there. Elbow there, and one. There it's go in, there it's go out, direct to pump and the heating system. That's how it will circulate. Imagine if the boiler start boiling up, yeah, which was happen. Cold water runs non-stop. Boiler boiling, not cooling. It's not cooling boiler at all. Because no chances. It's not circulating absolutely through the boiler, no circulation. So this heat exchanger at this condition and this assembled position, yeah, it's not working, not cooling boiler at all. Yes, heating system, it's cooling, but it's not heating up, so it's nothing to cool. And if the boiler heats up, forget. Grab the fire extinguisher and sort out yourself that mess. So yeah, without modification, this not work at all. Nothing work like this. Guys, shame on you and on Heat Hero. That's a scam company, absolutely. Okay, good luck who bought it and still don't understand why it's not work. Just rebuild it and it will work.